This video is about BIS internship for MBM university students who are in third year right now and need to go for training for 2 months in the month of June and July this year. So Bureau of Indian Standard has its headquarters at New Delhi and different branch offices in different cities of India. They have invited applications for internship from students of MBM University, Jodhpur. So I will be sharing the key highlights of the scheme for those students who are interested in this internship. I will share this document to all the students so that they can go through this document carefully. But right now in this video, I am discussing the various highlights and various important things you need to consider before applying for internship in BIS. Rest, I will share this document in university group so that you can go through details. First important thing is the eligibility. So here I just want to clear it again that this scheme is for student enrolled in university within India with whom BIS has entered into MOU. So we have MOU with Bureau of Indian Standards. That's why students of MBM University are eligible for internship in BIS. Second important thing that for 8 week, you can see on the screen for 8 week summer internship, which will be held from May to July. You can see the undergraduate 4 year degree course students seeking internship during this period should be between third year, sixth semester, and fourth year at the time of application. Also, students have successfully completed at least fourth semester and secured not less than 75% average marks or 7.5 CGPA in all the semesters whose results have been declared till the date of application. So be careful while applying for this because your eligibility will be screened as per these criteria. You can see 75% is required in all semesters uh, till what semester you have received the results. So if you have with you results till fourth semester, every semester you should have got 75% at least. Then BIS will consider your application. Second important thing is I'll just scrolling because I just want to share the key points only. So next important thing is the stipend. So interns will be doing internship at BIS will be getting rupees 20,000 per 4 week. So 20,000 per month the interns will be getting. Then head of the BIS department office because you will be assigned a office in BIS. So the head of that department under whose jurisdiction the intern will be carrying out the project shall be deciding authority regarding successful completion of the project. So you need to report the head of the department. Then about logistic support, interns would be required to bring their own laptops for the local visits, if required for BIS project, they will be supporting the travel expenses. However, if you are traveling to join this internship or you are going to submit the report, they will not give you uh, um, it's a sponsorship for traveling, but other than during this internship, 2 month internship, if for any work BIS send you to any industry, any organization, they will be giving financial support for travel. Except you are joining and leaving this certificate, getting the certificate, you will not get travel support. But rest of the time during this internship, you will be getting support. Then interns are required to have 100% attendance out of the actual working days in BIS offices, whether it is head office or branch office. And interns who have completed the internship with full attendance and submitted the report to the head of the department in BIS office would be issued certificate of successful completion of internship provided the report is found satisfactory. So this is again important. The engagement of interns at BIS will be categorized into two groups. So they are requiring internship interns for two roles. Few interns will be selected for BIS headquarters in Delhi, and few other interns they will be shortlisting. They will do screening to use those interns to give a project at their branch offices. So you can see they are inviting applications for training at BIS headquarters in Delhi as well as their branch offices in different states. So we have branch office in Jaipur. So for us, the branch office of BIS is in Jaipur. So students will be able to do internship at Jaipur if they are selected for branch office, and if they are selected for headquarter, they will be working in New Delhi. Next thing is that BIS, how BIS will select the intern. You can see applications will be sought for 2, 3 times the number of interns. They will be calling application for from universities. So you all need to apply through TP office. I will show that application performa in this video. I will share that document also. You need to fill that application form you need to submit in TP office, and TP office will forward that application to BIS office. Then these applications will be divided equally among the colleges, like they will do their exercise at their offices, and then the selection of the actual number of interns will be on CGPA basis. So the selection for this internship is purely on merit basis. So be careful while applying for this. Means you will be screened, you will be shortlisted on the basis of your CGPA. At least 75% is mandatory. That is one part. And if the applications are received where students have more than 75%, then the top percentage students will be screened by BIS. So this will be the criteria of selection. Then you need to apply through a prescribed performa. I will show in this video in the end performa. Along with this, you need to submit a NOC from TP office that will again will give you NOC from TP office. This will be done next week because we'll be calling these applications till 27th January. 31st January is the last date where college will send all the names to BIS. So those who are interested, those who are in third year, I'll show the number of vacancy. Very few vacancies right now because they have just started calling applications. Right now, only 7 to 8 interns they want from MBM University. I'll show the branches where they have required. So for these limited seats of interns, those who are interested, they must apply through this application form. They must download and fill the application form, and they need to submit in TP office. We'll do shortlisting of these students, then we'll send top 5 names as per the CGPA to BIS office. I will show the perform also along with NOC. So two documents are required. One is your application where you will fill all the details, and one NOC that will be given by the university. Then the other important thing is that individual interns and the institution will be informed about the selection. So for those students who are selected for this internship will be informed most likely in the month of March, in either in first week or second week of March. The selected students will be getting information from BIS about their selection. Then selected applicant has to produce original mark sheet and NOC from the institution at the time of joining. That formality we need to do. Conduct working and performance of the intern should be reviewed periodically by the head of the department. So once you join BIS, all control is with BIS. The head of the department of that particular office in BIS who will be reviewing your progress. They will give you tasks. They will monitor your work. They will give you tasks to prepare a report, and the kind of report you are preparing accordingly, they will be giving certificate. The project report for this internship will be based on study survey with suitable recommendation based on analysis of data. You can see right now the details. The reports so prepared shall be submitted to the head of the department at BIS. The internship would be deemed to be completed only if the project report is found to be satisfactory on submission of the project report. So all these requirement we need to fulfill to get the certificate. Now, important is the number of interns required right now. You can see there is a long list of branches, but for MBM University right now for this phase, they require one intern. You can see at branch office, chemical from chemical branch. So one third year student they will select for internship at branch office Jaipur from chemical branch, one intern uh, from electrical branch, one intern from civil branch. So one student from chemical, one from electrical branch, one from civil engineering branch. They will all be selected for branch office at Jaipur. So if you are in chemical, electrical, and civil engineering branch, you can apply for this internship, but seat is limited. You can see only one intern is required. So along as per the application we receive, we select top three. At least we'll send top three name as per CGPA. From mechanical and production industrial engineering, they require four intern at headquarter New Delhi and one intern at branch office Jaipur. So from mechanical and production branch, they will be selecting four interns for headquarter and one for Jaipur office. So these are the requirement for MBM University currently. If they increase this requirement, I'll share through website and groups if this is increased. But right now till 31st January, they want this much of interns, one from chemical, one from electrical, one from civil, and four for headquarter and one branch office from mechanical and production. You can see screen. This is not important right now. This is important right now on the screen. This is the performance application. You need to download this. You need to take print out. You need to fill all this detail about your educational qualification, which course you are doing, average percentage of marks, period for internship. Because in our university, you can go for internship in the month of June and July only, and you can choose 2 month, like from 1st June to 31st July. So you can mention here 8 week period from 1st June to 31st July. Then choice of location for working. There are long list of cities available in the document. You can choose cities as per your choice. This list is given in this document also. So you need to download this form. You need to print this. You fill after signing this form. You need to submit this form in TP office till afternoon of 27th January. So you have 3 4 days to decide on this, because in the evening of 27th January we'll be sitting in TP office to screen all these application, and accordingly we will forward this to BIS office. So those who are interested, those who are in these branches which I have already informed, they must, if they are interested, they should submit this filled form in TP office till afternoon of 27th January 2025. We'll be sitting to select to screen in evening of 27th January to decide on forwarding these applications. Then there are terms and condition of internship. So those who are seriously interested in this, they should go through this terms and condition of internship, because this is a government organization. They follow some certain rules and regulations and some procedure where we need to follow carefully. So you all those who are interested, those who are applying for this, they should go through this. And this is the format and of NOC we'll be doing. So it is at our part, we'll give NOC for selected students. These are the cities of choice. You can mention in your form if like it is asked three preferences, you can select any three cities as per your preference. So in last, I just want to summarize this, that important is that it is for only third year student. and the training is in June and July. Like you all need to go for internship. All third year students need to go for some summer internship and training in month of June and July. So those who are interested in doing internship at BIS New Delhi and BIS office Jaipur. Currently, vacancies are only for electrical, civil, chemical, and mechanical production engineering. A number of seats I have already informed. So those who are interested, they should fill this application form, Appendix C. I have shown, and this Appendix C is the performance of application. So those who are interested need to fill this form. They need to submit this form in TP office till 27 January, and accordingly we will select. I will share this document to all the students. They can go through the details of this. Then we'll decide to meet for a session from TP office to take your questions, to take your grievances on this. So first is you need to check all this detail. You just need to make up your mind whether you want to go for this or not. So those who are interested, those who are having more than 75% marks, they can apply. Rest they can discuss in TP office about the other formalities. If they have any doubt, if they have any questions, we'll arrange a session also for this, but this is for information to all of you because we have still 3 4 days left for applying this. So this is the right time to share about this scheme with all of you. Rest you can discuss among your friends, you can discuss in TP office, you can discuss with internship in charge, and we'll having a, session for question answer very soon in our university where you can come with your inquiries. So with this, I end this video. I hope most of the things are clear to you. Still, if you have any doubt, you can contact TP office, contact internship in charge, and we'll share more information soon on this.